Today we're reading Titus and Philemon, two books. Titus has 3 chapters, Philemon just has 1 chapter. Titus, the book, everything we know about Titus, who was the man to whom it was written, we learned that from Paul's letters. He's not mentioned in Luke or in the book of Acts. Chronologically speaking, we first see Titus as he accompanies Paul and Barnabas to Jerusalem, an event that Paul references in Galatians chapter 2, verses 1 through 3. And so Titus was a young preacher boy, and he needs some instruction, like Timothy, on how to be a preacher. And so one of the things that we find here in the book of Titus, as well as in Timothy, would be the qualification for an elder. And by the way, I have an article there entitled Pastors, Bishops, and Elders, What's the Scriptural Position? And then Paul tells Titus about the false teachers. Of course, Gnosticism was the big errant doctrine during those days. He talks to Titus about giving the people instruction and the roles of the aged men, the aged women, the young women, the young men, and servants. And then he has some parting words in chapter 3. Now, the book of Philemon was written with regard to a slave, Onesimus, who had escaped, and Paul writes Philemon to ask for a little mercy in that situation. Well, that's today's reading, and we'll see you tomorrow.